so why not just give her the divorce?
My wife spends money like water. She was born.
Филм кој раскажува за писател во години, кој води надпреварувачка битка со млад актер кој го краде срцето на неговата сопруга.
Which she's become accustomed.
And you agree to the divorce. So, what do I do?
You break in. Place the ladder against the wall.
Okay!
Climb up the ladder.
This is a joke!
No, it isn't.
It's also a trap.
Душкало. Вечерва во 22 часот.